Hello and welcome to Adirondack Astronomy. So tonight in this video I am doing something a little different. I'm not doing any sketches, but I'm currently out and I'm going to attempt to get some images of Jupiter. And as soon as it clears the trees, I'm going to attempt Saturn as long as no clouds come in. So follow along in this video and I'll show you some of the process of capturing the images, and then we'll have the final image in the end. So stay tuned for that. So there's my telescope aimed pointed up at Jupiter up there. You can see it all nice and bright. Yeah, you'll never get a good view of that on this phone. Anyway, that's my telescope. There's my T3i, and currently that's Jupiter on the screen. Probably hard to tell what's going on here. I have it at a zoom of 5.1. It's a digital zoom. Not every DSLR has this, but the T3i does. So I use the zoom. I'm probably going to start at the 5.1 and then move up to different zoom levels and just see what I can get tonight. There's almost a minute and a half. Go ahead and stop this. 1 minute and 30 seconds. There we go. Got that. Now let's, just for the fun of it, I know it usually doesn't come out great, but I'm going to zoom in to the whole 10x. I'm going to pause this for a second to work on my focus. Alright, I've got it on 10x and I fixed the focus. Now let's do a minute and a half or so on this zoom. There we go, it started. I'll stop the video and I'll come back when it's done. Alright, we're coming up on the minute and a half here, so I'll get ready to hit the stop button. It doesn't need to be exactly a minute and a half. I mean, it's okay if it's over a little bit. So there we go, two sets of data done now, and we will see what comes up with those. I'll get some more off that I'm not recording and we'll see how they turn out. So the imaging I'm doing is referred to as lucky imaging. So basically what I'm doing is I'm getting video and I'm going to use those frames and stack them to come up with a sharper, crisper image. So it's going to do I think it's 30 frames per second that this camera is recording at. And I'm going to get the best of those frames and just stack those frames. So lucky imaging, it helps when there's turbulence in the atmosphere and all that other fun stuff in the night sky that you got to worry about when imaging and doing Planetary. Now I do video instead of images because I can get a lot more video frames than I can images. So that's why I'm going about doing it this way. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on what it is I'm doing and let you know what it's called and why you do it this way. So hope that's helpful to you. Right now I have this exposed to show off the moons around Jupiter. Do a quick video of that. And I'm only at 3x zoom, which you can see right there. I don't know if anything will come of this, but it's fun to do, just to play around. Why not? I'm already out here and I'm taking images, so it's worth a shot. Here we are, coming up on a minute and a half, and just like with Jupiter, I'm going to stop it here. And just for the fun of it, let's zoom right in 10x and let's get this video. There you go. I had to adjust the focus on that a bit, so hopefully that's better focused there. And like I said, I'm at 10x this time, and we'll see how this one turns out in the end. And at the end of this video, you'll see a picture of both Jupiter and Saturn. So stay tuned, and I will continue collecting my data. I will get on my computer and stack and process these and put them at the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next video. Clear skies. So here's my final stack of Jupiter after running it through PIPP Auto Stacker and doing wavelets and registacks. And here's Saturn after running through PIPP Auto Stacker and doing wavelets and registacks. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.